come before 2005, 2006 to invest a lot of money in Kenya. After now there is the problem because around all the properties is still for the shareholder is in the company together with my friend. Okay, I have the power attorney there for all the people. Okay, is Bresciani, Pusterla, Alimonti Marco. After I have the power attorney for Afik International. Is my friend invest. Is every time 3 people. These 3 people is Bresciani family, Pusterla Giuseppe e Alimonti Marco. Me, is this the point? Is these people send €1 million here, understand? Is the people buy Bayview, Denman, Holborn, Antioquia, plot 309, 399, 309, no, 399, 409, 377. All the plot is like that, the system, she call, there is another 2 plot, please send the money by, there is another 2 plot, send the money by, every time is the same story, wrong document, still the property, this is the hotel in Vatamu, the property 60% is for my friend, and here where I stay now, Pleiadi, okay, there is the big case. I don't know why and come the big case. The people pretend come inside the private property, broken the gate with the excavator. But it's private property here, it's not Barabara. But it's possible do, I don't know why. It's better control the story, it's better save the people to invest. This is the risk for the people, no, it's possible live like that.
Hanno detto che ti hanno